There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2017 Chrysler 300S in granite crystal with bifunction halogen projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum hyper black wheels, power heated exterior mirrors, black tail lamp bezel, dual rear exhaust with bright tip, heated front seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Beats Audio 10 premium speakers including subwoofer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, blind spot and cross path detection, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 300 horsepower rating, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5454.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.